I'm starting the video at the back of block 327 Ubi Avenue 1, right at the end of the car park. There's this green rubbish bin there that's always overflowing, and then you have balanced high-rise litter here, most likely from level 2 to 4. Then there's always a bottle, a packet or empty packets of cigarettes around. One thing, the mentality of the residents with the high-rise litter and just throwing things all over. I'm not sure what's going on. Is it the foreigners, the tenants, or simply the mindsets of locals here? Or already you can see the paint job of the blocks already so bad with the mold and all that, and then you add all this on the floor, litter at the car parks. I can tell nobody has cleared because it's the same old litter that's on the floor or on the car park. Now this is actually a good place to create some sort of a dumping corner, but always overflowing, like nobody ever takes away the dustbin. Takes 2, 3, 4 days, then they clear. Always people throwing around the rubbish bin. Sometimes we have food waste. This is 330 Ubi Avenue 1, Leaf A, right at the end of the car park. And then with the food waste also, you see this one, somebody spill chocolate milk. It can be there for a week lah. Nobody mops the lift lobby. Okay, all this litter, especially after rain, is so bad. You can tell nobody comes to clean regularly lah. Okay, I'm not expecting perfection, but this is quite bad, man. You see this razor and all that. Don't know, people got no dustbin at home. They like to throw out from the window. Again, it's just the mentality of some of the people around here. I'm not sure why they do this. But overall, you can see it's so bad. It affects mental health, property prices here, or interest here. You see, oh my god. Needs to be more posters of education to not do all this. No littering, no high-rise litter.